In this video, I will show you how to complete lesson 2.1 in Jasper Active Excel. So from the main Jasper Active menu, click on Lessons, and then click on the second lesson called Manage Data Cells and Ranges. Click Start, and we're going to complete the first basic exercise called Learn to Reference Cells in Other Worksheets. So click to open it. In this exercise, you will look at how to use cells to reference other areas of the same worksheet, another worksheet, or another workbook. So just a reminder that a worksheet is a single page or sheet in Excel. A workbook refers to the whole file. So here we go. Let's notice that there are 3 question parts to this exercise. All right. On occasion, you might need to use the data on another worksheet or another workbook, and this is referred to as cell referencing. So let's go find cell C4. We're going to click on cell C4, and we're going to type Q1. But pay careful attention to the abbreviation and the capital Q, or you could copy and paste from the direction panel. In cell C6, we're going to type the equal sign. And we're going to not type anything else, but with our mouse, we're going to go down to the bottom of the page, and we'll notice there are 5 sheets that are part of this workbook. The sheet that we're on right now is underlined in green. That's the company sheet. We want to click on the Q1 sheet. So click on Q1 sheet, and we want to reference cell F6. So really carefully, I'm going to find F6 and click. And you'll notice it has those green blinking lights. They look like marching ants. That's because it is being referenced in another sheet. So press the Enter key once F6 is selected, and it takes us back to the company worksheet. And now, instead of us having to type in that value, it automatically carries it over from that Q1 sheet. So if that Q1 sheet is ever changed, it automatically change on this company sheet. All right, press Submit on question 1. Now we're on question 2. All right, take a look at how the autofill feature can be used to copy and paste data. So let's copy the contents of cell C6 to C7 and 8 using whatever method you prefer. You can copy and paste, you can click and drag using the green box to pull it down. All right. Note that Excel automatically adjusts only the cell reference part while keeping the component complete. So if we look on our C7 now, you'll notice it also pulled it from Q1 sheet. We can see it here in the formula bar. And C8 did as well. Let's select C4. And we are going to grab the autofill handle, this teeny tiny green box, and we're going to drag that to column F. And it will automatically fill in Q2, Q3, and Q4. Thank you, Excel. Let's click Submit, and we're on the 3rd question. Let's enter some more references. Let's go to cell D6, and we're going to type in the equal sign. That tells Excel that we're going to reference somewhere else. So let's go to the Q2 sheet at the bottom of the page, Q2, and we're going to click on cell F6, the 22,500, and press Enter. And let's copy our contents down again. I'm just going to use the autofill box here. There we go. And let's repeat the step for E6, but this time we're going to press equal sign and go to the Q3 sheet. At the bottom of the page, go to Q3 sheet and click F6. Press Enter. And we're going to drag that down. And this time, to do the Q4 one, we're going to manually type it in. So let's type in equal sign apostrophe Q4. There's a space before the 4, apostrophe exclamation point F6. So this time, instead of clicking to the other tab, we just manually typed it in, or you could copy and paste from the direction panel and press enter, and the same thing happens. And let's select E6 and fill it down. All right, I went a little ahead earlier. It wanted us to select E6 and F6. So click and drag in the middle of the cell on E6 and drag to F6. And then we're going to fill these at the same time. So let's click that autofill and drag down. So you can use autofill on one cell or on two cells at the same time. All right, I did that a tiny bit out of order. Let's see if it gives us our green bubbles. Click submit and finish. And voila, we have just completed the first exercise in Excel Lesson 2.